This is why tree pose is one of the best postures you can do in yoga to help build your balance. And I want to share 3 tips with you that will help you to build your balance over time with tree. So let's dive right in and have some fun with tree pose. Tree pose kickstand trick. If your balance is wobbly, especially in tree pose, then I've got a tip called the kickstand trick that may help. Think of it like a kickstand on your bicycle, bringing your heel to your ankle and kickstanding your toes down on the mat. Then you can lift off your toes, and if you start to wobble, you place them down. And so you start to gradually shift that weight from the kickstand to your main standing leg to where you don't really even need the kickstand anymore. The biggest tip I can say is that your balance in tree pose comes from your legs and feeling grounded through that standing leg, not flailing your arms around and trying to catch your balance. Rather, using this kickstand trick is helpful to really isolate that feeling of stability through your standing leg. Balance and knee placement. Here's something a lot of people overlook when it comes to their tree pose, and it has to do with where your knee placement is. It might feel more comfortable and more balanced to have your knee pointed forward like this, even a little bit out to the side. But what we really want is it to come all the way out to the side, because this will challenge your balance even more. Plus, it's a nice hip opening here through your tree pose, which is a key part of this posture and having proper form. So next time you're in tree pose, just check to see how far forward that knee is pointed. Try to bring it all the way out to the side, and then see how much more this affects your balance and challenges your balance. And for a full class where we do a deep dive into helping you balance more, especially with tree pose, simply click on the card here above. It's roughly a 25-minute class. It goes through all the tips in this video and a lot more. But now let's move on to the third part, because I've saved one of the best tips for last. Is this harming your hips? There is something we unintentionally do in tree pose that could be harming your hips. No matter where you place your foot in tree pose, a lot of us tend to have our hip pointed out to the side. And while this might feel a little bit easier to balance, the challenge is to bring everything in one straight line, all stacked above one another, so that you're not slouching into your hip there and putting strain on your hip joint. Naturally, your hips will move from side to side as you're trying to balance in a tree. The challenge comes from keeping everything steady and really feeling that grounded trunk through your legs of the tree so that you have that steadfast sense of balance. And for a full class that dives into helping your balance, specifically with tree pose, simply click on the video here on the screen. Also, open up the description below for lots more resources as well.